In today's world where efficiency is key, these 5 AI tools will make you 10 times more efficient. Trust me, the first tool is called Notion AI. It's like having a personal assistant right inside your browser. Just imagine it. You have a million things to do. You open up Notion, type in Plan My Day, and hit Enter. Bam! Notion AI takes over. It organizes all your tasks, meetings, deadlines, and projects into a daily plan. But wait, there's more. Let's say you want to brainstorm ideas for a new project. Type brainstorm ideas for, and then drop in your topic. For example, social media campaign. Now watch as Notion AI weaves magic, pulling relevant info from across the web and presenting you with a bunch of fresh and exciting ideas. And the best part, it's completely free. Your personal AI assistant ready to tackle any task you throw at it. Next up is ChatGPT. This tool is just crazy. Here's what you can do. Let's say you need to write a detailed email asking for leaves. You write the first line and ChatGPT guesses what you want to write next. It continues the email for you, making it longer, more persuasive, and professional. And here's the mind-blowing part. ChatGPT remembers what you wrote before. So if you ask it to make your writing more polite or change the tone, it does it without missing a beat. The craziest thing, it even writes in different styles. Need a casual text message, a formal business proposal, or maybe a poem about cats? Just type in the instructions and watch ChatGPT weave its magic. And guess what? It's totally free. It's like having a personal writer and a virtual secretary rolled into one. Alright, now let's talk about Grammarly. It's like having a personal grammar guru right by your side. Imagine you're sending an important email or working on a crucial presentation. You want to make sure your writing is top-notch, clear, and mistake-free. That's where Grammarly swoops in to save the day. It's this awesome tool that checks your grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style all in a jiffy. You can write with ease knowing that Grammarly has your back. Here's a fun fact. Grammarly has a built-in plagiarism detector, so you can be sure your work is original. And here's another cool feature. It helps you choose the right words. Let's say you're writing a blog post and want to use more vivid language. Grammarly suggests just the right words to make your writing come alive. And get this, it's not just for written work. Grammarly also checks your messages and emails to make sure you sound sharp and professional. It's like having a personal editor and a grammar expert in one handy tool. Now, let me show you something really cool. We have this image. Maybe you want to share it on social media, but it needs a caption. So I asked the AI, write a creative and engaging caption for this photo, and check out what it came up with. Pretty good, right? But I wanted to see if it could do better. So I asked it to make the caption even better. Now that's some smart stuff. The AI understood what I wanted and made the caption even more awesome. And guess what? You can use this AI magic for free. You don't even need to sign up. It's quick and easy. Just go to the website and start chatting. Think of it as your own personal AI genie. Need help explaining complex topics or writing different kinds of content? This little AI tool can handle it all. And get this, you can use it for free. Absolutely free. You don't even need to give them your name or email address. It's like having a secret weapon in your productivity arsenal. And here's a pro tip. Use it to summarize long to or podcast episodes or YouTube videos. Just paste the link and boom, you have a summary in seconds. Want to know the best part? It's available right inside the browser extension, so you can access it anywhere. It's like having a personal AI sidekick that's always by your side, ready to help whenever you need it. This next tool is called Fireflies.ai. Imagine you're typing away on your computer and suddenly you need to format a date. You could fumble around looking for the right format, or you could just ask Fleek AI, and bam, it gives you the answer in a flash. But that's just the beginning. Fleek AI is like having a personal Q&A buddy. You can ask it anything from fixing typos to creating tables. And here's the coolest part. You can even ask it to continue your sentences. Let's say you're writing an email and need a bit of help expressing yourself. Type in the first part of the sentence and then ask Fleek AI to finish it off. It'll suggest a bunch of options and you can pick the one that fits best. And here's a game changer. Fleek AI remembers what you've asked before so you don't have to repeat yourself. It's like having a personal assistant who's super helpful and always ready to lend a hand. The best part, it's completely free. Last but not least is Motion AI. This tool is incredibly useful for those who love to create videos or presentations. With Motion AI, you can turn your text into engaging videos in seconds. But that's not all. It offers so much more. Check this out. First, you can create realistic avatars that bring your ideas to life. Or how about this? You can design entire scenes with multiple characters interacting. It's like having your own animation studio right in your browser. And here's another cool feature. You can generate images with Motion AI. Just type in whatever you like to see and bam, there you have it. An AI-powered image generator that can bring anything to life. And here's the cherry on top. You can even create memes with Motion AI. Just think of the possibilities. The best part, you don't need any design skills or expensive software. Motion AI puts the power of creativity in your hands no matter where you are. All you need is a web browser and voila, you have a powerful creation tool at your fingertips. And there you have it. If you've watched till now, I know you're a true tech enthusiast. Drop a comment below and let us know which AI tool impressed you the most. And hey, don't forget to follow for more updates on all things AI and tech. We've got some amazing content coming your way. Thanks for watching.